All right, Namaskar. Good evening. Let's start. Come, step straight, close your eyes. Inhale and inhale and keep your spine straight. Relax your facial muscles, relax your shoulder muscles, relax your entire body. Inhale and inhale and be at the present moment. Embrace yourself, embrace your breathing. And tell yourself the next hour is all for yourself, for the practice of you. Inhale and inhale and inhale and inhale. And if there's any thoughts in your mind, just let it flow. Focus on your breathing. Now slowly open your eyes and stretch out your legs. Hands at the side, keep your spine. Inhale, squeeze the toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale up, bend your ankle forward. Exhale up. Legs apart, toes pointed to each other. Okay, inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the side. Inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the center. Inhale upwards. Exhale down. Inhale up. Focus. Exhale down. Legs back together. Hands on your knees. Knee engagement. Inhale, lift up the heels of your mat. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up your heels of your mat. Exhale down. Bring both of your soles together. And below. Spine straight. Move your knee up and down. Titliasana, butterfly. Move your knee up and down. Inhale, head up. Elongate your spine and you go down. Breathe. 1. Look forward. Move 2. 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Once again, exhale down and you breathe. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Exhale, stretch out. Bend your right leg. Interlock below. Spine straight. Inhale up. Straight. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale on your thigh. Massage your right leg. Spine straight. Left leg straight. Right hand on your right knee. Inhale. Push down. Exhale. Pull up. Inhale. Push down. Exhale. Pull up. Release and do hip rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Release. Now left leg. Interlock. Spine straight. Right leg straight. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale on your thigh. Massage your left leg. Spine straight. Left hand on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release and do hip rotation. Inhale up. Exhale, push down. Inhale up. Exhale. Release. Right leg over left leg. Pull in. Spread out your fingers. Inhale up. Exhale up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Bend your thumb and your finger clockwise twist rotation. Rajesh, follow. Anti-clockwise. Bring your thumb to your shoulder, elbows together. Inhale up. Interlock. You pull. Exhale. Look up. Stretch your shoulder. Inhale. You drop down to the front. Exhale. You go all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Once again. Inhale up. Interlock. You pull. Exhale. You look up. Inhale. You drop down to the front. Exhale. You go all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Release. Spine straight. Inhale. Head up. Look up. Exhale. Center. Inhale down. Chin towards your chest. Exhale. Center. Inhale to your right. Look to your right. Exhale. Center. Inhale to your left. Exhale. Center. Inhale. Tilt your neck to your right. Exhale. Center. Tilt your neck to your left. Exhale. Center. Last part. Eyeball exercise. Interlock your fingers. Gaze at the tip of your thumb. Thumb up. Yes. Look at your thumb. Inhale up. Just look at your thumb. Thumb paranga. Exhale. Center. Inhale down. Look at your thumb. Exhale. Center. Inhale to your right. Exhale. Center. Inhale to your left. Exhale. Center. Just 3 minutes. Inhale to the tip of your nose. Gaze at your thumb. 1. Look at your thumb. 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center. Now bring it to the space in between your eyebrows. Gaze at your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center and release. Up, so release. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width. Hands on Namaskar. Close your eyes. Tell yourself this is a practice all for yourself, for your happiness, for your inner peace, for your good health, good wealth, and great wisdom. Close your eyes. To the practice of yoga, you will spread love, light, positivity, harmony, good thoughts, good deeds to yourself, your family, to those around you, and before we start our practice today, thank the universe, thank the Mother Nature, thank all the gurus, yogis, manas, and rishis. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, fellow practitioner. Thank you, sir. Thank each and every part of your body for giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga with heart full of awareness and gratitude to your practice. Now slowly open your eyes. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale forward all the way back. Exhale down, right leg back. Inhale, open. Vasudhi, என்ன full தெரியலனா என் screen full தெரியுதுல? Yeah. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Janaka கால் ஒன்னு பின்னாடி எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Palms fully down, your legs somewhere behind. You can't see me. Can you see me? Knee down, chest down, chin down. Ashtangasana. Hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shushangasana. Inhale, Marjaniyasana. Look up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Mountain pose. Yes, hands, palms fully down. Spread out your fingers. 1. Relax your shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. Right leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up all the way. Exhale down, left leg back, inhale, left. Knee up. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Palm here again. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Sushasana. Inhale, Madhyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Breathe. Left leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight, inhale up all the way. Exhale down, right leg back, inhale. It's not matter. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Ashtangas. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Sushasana. Inhale, Madhyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Deep inhalation, exhalation. Check your alignment. Bring it forward. Bring your hand down forward. And forward. Chest in. Push. Yes. Right leg forward. Inhale. Open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Inhale. Up all the way. Exhale down. Left leg back. Inhale. Open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale. Mountain. Janaka, you cannot see me fully, is it? Can you see me fully? Can. Cannot. I cannot see you actually. Just type it. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankas. Inhale, Marjariasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Mutti valikida. Okay. Breathe. Do slowly. Palms fully down. 3, 4. Right, left leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up all the way. Exhale down, right leg back, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down, still lush. Palms here. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Feet flat. Exhale, Shashankas. Inhale, Marjariasana, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Breathe. Right leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Left leg back, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shushankarasana, feet flat. Inhale, Madhyasana, feet flat. Exhale, Parvatasana. One in three. Five, table. Shoulder relax. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate forward. Inhale. Open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Right leg back. Inhale. Open. Breathe through your nose. Don't breathe through your mouth. Okay, you will lose more energy. Breathe through your mouth. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale. Mountain. Take deep inhalation, exhalation. Sustain your energy. Palms fully down. Knee down. Chest down. Chin down. Bring a day. Palms fully down. Inhale. Bhujanga. Exhale. Shushankarasana. Inhale, Madhyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up, exhale down, left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shushankarasana. Inhale, Madhyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up, exhale down. Right leg back. Inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mount. Knee, chest, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shushankarasana. Inhale, Madhyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Mountain. Breathe. Right leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up, exhale down, left leg back, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shushankarasana. Focus பண்ணுங்க. Inhale, Madhyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up all the way. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale sideways up. Exhale to the center. Wet your face. Drink some water. Kàn மூணு தான் இருக்கு இல்லையா பாருங்க சுஸ்திரி பாருங்க see the pen check the pen இப்பதான் மூணு வருதா yeah didn't check all right sit down relax okay எத்தனை பேர் வரல நிறைய பேர் வரல ரூபாய் வரல Rachel வரல Rachel told me she's not there that means please Rachel வேற ரூபாய் வரல Rachel வரல விஷா வரல பிரவீனா வரல 4 பேர் தானே all okay aunty okay ba okay so before we start our lesson today what we did last week Jumping பண்ணலாம், no problem. Okay, we did jumping. Can you all practice? Because you're going to do one by one. You're going to do one by one, except for the new joiners. One by one. Today we will learn jump out. Okay. So before we யார் வரல கிளாஸ்க்கு போன வாரம் வரட்ட கூட நீங்க ஜம்பிங் பண்ணி ஜம்பிங் பண்ணி okay. Three types of jumping I already taught last week. Okay, நீங்க வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டு வீடியோ அனுப்பிட்டேன். ஆமாவா நீங்க அனுப்பிட்டேன் வீடியோ. Okay, online I already sent you video. So it's jumping straight leg, jumping cross leg, jumping sliding. Okay, jumping but jump slide okay. So those who are new, it's okay, you just take it slowly. Those who are already here for many months and many weeks, you can definitely do it. Okay. So before we start, I would like to share something that happened during the weekend. Okay. So I've been teaching it's been 5 years since I've been teaching. Okay, since 2019. Okay, and we have never been to any competition. So during the weekend, last week, okay, for the first time in history, for the first time, Yatra has entered a national level yoga championship at Chennai. Okay. நான் போய் பத்தாலாம் அப்படின்னு தெரியல. Of course, நீங்க என் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் தான் வந்து actually செஞ்சாங்க. I handpicked myself 10 students. Okay. How I chose them was first their commitment, their practice, how their capability, how discipline are them. இதை வச்சுதான் நான் வந்து அவங்க சூஸ் பண்ணேன். ஓகே, ஏன் 10 பேர் மட்டும் தான் சூஸ் பண்ணேன்னா ஏன்னா எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம், அவங்களுக்கு தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம். ஸோ நான் அந்த 10 பேரை முதல்ல ஹேண்டில் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் வந்து பெரிய குரூப் ஹேண்டில் பண்ணலன்னா தட் வாஸ் எய்ம். I mean that was the goal. Actually aim கூட goal. சரி 10 பேரை முதல்ல மேனேஜ் பண்ணுவோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் actually 10 பேர் I chose 12 but 2 couldn't make it. So it was 10. Okay, and then yeah, we went. Okay, the aim of us going for this competition is not to win. Now we choose பண்ணனும்னு நான் சொல்லிட்டேன். Okay, number 4 எதுக்கு போறோம்னா to learn, to get experience. Okay, not to win. Okay. Winning is secondary. Okay, but winning is secondary. All we want is for you also it's first time, for us also, for me also it's first time. So let's see how it's been conducted. Let's see how it's been done. That was the goal. Yes. So they were practicing day and night. They were practicing at night. They were working. Okay, but most of the days they were practicing. Of course, they committed themselves. Of course, I appreciate all of that. Their time, their effort, their sacrifice, okay, their tiredness. இதெல்லாம் okay. ஏன்னா இது commit பண்றது ஏன்னா last 2 weeksல தான் நம்ம join பண்ணோம். I think last week 7. Okay, so I picked from all my classes, including online. Okay, online I picked Radha Aunty. You all know Radha Aunty. Radha Aunty is 60 years old this year, and she joined the above 50 category. Okay, Radha Aunty. I picked Shanu, picked Rachel. From this class, I picked Pooja and Ashtalakshmi from the kids class. Pooja is kid, but she is my adult class. Kalei from my intermediate class, Rohini from my beginner level intermediate class. Kavitra, Archana from my beginner class. Sorry, I missed my name. Patti பேர் கரெக்டா சொல்லுங்க. விஷாலி முடிச்சுதானே. ஓகே, விஷாலி 10 பேர். ஏன்னா சோ பிக் பண்ணும்போது அவங்க ஏஜ் எனக்கு ஏஜ் அவங்க எந்த ஏஜ்ல வருவாங்க தெரியாது. ஆஃப் கோர்ஸ் கிட்ஸ் பிக் பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு தெரியும் இந்த ஏஜ் கேட்டகரியில தான் போவாங்க. பட் to my surprise, we had everyone in each category except for 5 to 7 kids ல யாரும் இல்ல. டீனேஜ்ல யாரும் இல்ல. எல்லாமே above teenager தான் இருக்கீங்க. சோ அதனால அந்த கேட்டகரியில யாரும் இல்ல. Okay, and of course you all know we don't have any boys or men in our school, right? But when I went there, I saw so many male practitioners and all gumpa, all got muscles here and there, but they are just yoga practitioners. Okay, and they were so good. From small boy, they are what 7, 8, 5, 7, 8 குட்டி. அவன் நினைக்கிறேன் 4 வயசு தான் இருக்கும் நினைக்கிறேன். ஜட்டியோட 30 means boxer. Okay. Normally that's how yoga is being practiced. If you see male practitioners, normally வந்து the கோபுர மாதிரி they will tie like a pants like that. Okay. அவங்க அப்படிதான். Boys பையனும் அப்படிதான் beginner level they will doing. And there were a lot of uncles who were actually doing also. Okay. Then I was thinking why. But that one all they are from Ipoh, they were from Penang, Sungai Petani, JB, Seremban, number from KLJB, but from KL there were no male practitioners. We had one school from Chalam, number Kajan, but we didn't. 3 of us also, there's no male practitioners. All the male practitioners are from other states. So you said, gym oriented. So yeah, as we went, you all know that I just mentioned that winning was not our aim. So from 10 of them, 8 of them actually won. Okay. Okay, எல்லா கேட்டகரியில இருந்தாங்க. Above 50 ல ராதா ஆண்டி got second place. Okay, above 31 and to 40, 31 to 40. Rachel என்ன கேட்டகரி? Rachel was 40, but I didn't know her age. And I say what which category? But below that, no, I'm 43. 43. Okay, she was 43. I didn't know she was 43. So she was 40 and above. She got second place in her category. And 31 to 40 வந்து பவித்ரா ஏன்னா 2 கேட்டகரி இருந்துச்சு. ஒன்னு வந்து ஈஸி கேட்டகரி, ஒன்னு வந்து அட்வான்ஸ் கேட்டகரி. ஓகே, ஷாம், ரேச்சல், ரோஹிணி, காலை இவங்க எல்லாம் வந்து அட்வான்ஸ் கேட்டகரி. பவித்ரா, விஷாலி இவங்க எல்லாம் வந்து அண்டி எல்லாம் வந்து பிகினர் கேட்டகரி. Okay, but answers are not really easy, I would say. For beginners, it's quite challenging. But if you've been practicing, it's actually easy now, like Ustrasana, Natarajasana. Okay, so Shanu secured second place. Okay, and in her category, she was 21 to 30. Okay, 21 to 30. And Vishali got second place. Vishali got second place, and so Rachel and Rohini got fourth. Rachel and you got second place. Who got fourth place? Rohini and Archana got fourth place. Okay, and Pavitra got third place. Of course, Ashtayashini got second place. Okay, very minute mark la da the first championship போனுச்சு தவிர ஏன்னா the kids was very good. So of course, in the category was very good. 31 above very good. So they of course I'm very proud teacher, I would say, because they all did very well. Okay, Astalashmikum Pooja மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு வயித்துல ஒரு மாதிரி பட்டர்ஃப்ளை வந்துச்சு, but other than that I was fine. Okay, and of course thank you so much to all my students. Okay, அடுத்த வருஷம் என் ஹஸ்பண்ட் சொன்னாங்க அடுத்த வருஷம் பஸ்ல போவோம் அப்படின்னா. இந்த வருஷம் 10 participants. Next year we will go more. Of course, we will pick more students from this class and more students from other class. ஒரு பஸ் வந்து கம்பெனில அவங்க இந்த வருஷம் அவங்க வந்து more than நம்ம மட்டும் தான் 10 பேர், மத்தவங்க எல்லாம் 30, 20 அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருந்தாங்க. Because it's our first year, right? So we this one. Okay, and yeah, that is about the update of the weekend event. And for the first time, I think we did really well. I'm very proud, especially auntie. Okay, auntie nervous ஆனாங்க, என்னையும் கொஞ்சம் auntie தான் கொஞ்சம் nervous ஆனாங்க, but she did really well. Okay, auntie பத்தி உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், நிறைய வாட்டி சொல்லியிருக்கேன்ல auntie பத்தி. Okay, I'm really blessed and proud to have auntie as my student and to teach her. Okay, student ஓட அவங்க more than an inspiration to all of us. Okay, she's been with me since COVID. அவங்க ஆன்லைன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான், பிசிக்கல் கிளாஸ்க்கு ஒரு வாட்டி அந்த மாதிரி தான். When she got chance, she will come, but she's like fully online class student. Okay, if she take everyone as an inspiration, I would say, because if they can do, then for her age, if she can do, of course everyone here can do. Correct? It's just a matter of effort that you put in your practice. Okay, why we are going for competition? Of course, Now you all are doing in the class, right? You are practicing the class, but there must be a purpose for you to do something. Okay, சும்மா practice பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தா கண்டிப்பா ஒரு நாளைக்கு boring ஆயிரும்ல. Of course, when you progress well, you will not only I mean ஆசனால இல்லாம personally also you will grow well. But now we are actually going beyond that. Okay, to put you on that, to compare பண்றதுல, to put you out there so that you will know where you stand among the other practitioners. Okay, where we our school stands with the other practitioners. Okay, now we are known. As a first timer, what I felt was because of them, Yatra got a name there. Because நாங்க ஸ்டேஜ்ல இருந்து இறங்கும் போது அவங்க ஜூரி 4 பேர் இருந்தாங்க. ஜூரி சொன்னாங்க, நீங்க எங்க இருந்து வரீங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்க. நீங்க எங்க இருந்து வரீங்கன்னு ஒருத்தவங்க கேக்குறாங்கனாலே it means they have noticed you. I always believe that they have noticed you and they say அடுத்த வருஷம் வாங்க அப்படின்னு. And then even the organizer told me that all they அவங்க வந்து உங்களெல்லாம் எம்எல்ஏ ஆகிட்டாங்க. சரி உங்க பிள்ளைங்களா இருக்காங்க அண்டியூ சார். Okay, kids all did very well. She said, yes, of course, you all did very well. You will be proud of yourself. Okay, Shanu, of course, Shanu is equivalent to me. I always see her as equivalent to me because she does all the asanas. She is really talented. Okay, Shanu, you are really talented. Just brush up whatever that you have. Just practice. Okay, all right. Yeah, Rachel, இப்போ வரலன்னா என்ன Rachel injury. Okay, எனக்கு 3 பேஷண்ட் இருந்தாங்க before event. Okay, ஒரு பேஷண்ட்க்கு மென்சஸ், ஒரு பேஷண்ட் இடுப்பு வலி, இன்னொரு யாரு bro இன்னைக்கு கை வலி. Okay, all was injured before even going for that. So I think Rachel got very thanks that she injured her back and she was doing back and 3 asanas. She didn't want to change her asana also and she didn't. இந்த கையில blue black ஆயிடுச்சு. அதனால கிளாஸ் 2 நாள் MC நேத்து வரல நீங்க quite bad I think. I took Chinese medicine. The back pain I think it's illa idoga. கேந்து ரேச்சல் தான் கொஞ்சம் பேட். எல்லா ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்ல ரேச்சல் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் டேமேஜ் ஆன பீஸ் நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, இப்போ நீங்க எல்லாம் ஜம்பிங். ஓகே, ஜானட் அக்கா தவிர மத்தவங்க எல்லாம் ஜம்பிங் பண்ணுங்க. லாஸ்ட் வீக் யார் வரல சொன்னீங்க? ஜம்பிங் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, முதல்ல கஸ்தூரி ஜம்ப் பண்ணுங்க. ஓவரால் ஜம்ப் பண்ணுங்க. ஆன்லைன் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க கொஞ்ச நேரம். ஜம்பிங் ஸ்லைட் ஸ்லைட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸ்லைடிங் தண்டாசனா, ஜம்பிங் தண்டாசனா. கிளாசிக் பண்ணீங்க அப்புறம் ரிமெம்பர் ஜம்பிங் ஸ்லைட் உங்களுக்கு தண்டாசனா. Slide. Good. Cross leg and slide. Cross leg and slide. Out. Don't lift up your hand. Don't lift up. Shanu, do. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's see. Do. Parallel. My call. No, why don't do that? I told you yesterday, last week. What do you do? Control that. Your movement is not control movement. வெளிய வாங்க. என்ன பண்றீங்க? You never practice, that's why. Because you're not using your hand strength. Do I do? Okay, now go inside. Don't lift up your hand. Don't lift up. Bring your knee inside. Don't lift up your hand. Bring your hand behind your knee. Okay, go inside. Walk inside. Don't lift up. Practice this. செய்யுங்க. இல்ல நேத்து போன வாரம் வந்தீங்க. போன வாரம் வந்துட்டீங்க வெளியே. ஏன் இந்த மாதிரி வரல? வெளியே வாங்க. Control. Okay, good. வெளியே வாங்க. Good. Very good. That is good. Okay, good. Okay, good. Very good. This is the second class only, okay? செய்யுங்க உமா. practice பண்ணீங்களா வீட்ல? இல்ல. practice பண்ணீங்கன்னா வெளிய கணக்கா வந்துச்சு. கையை அவன் மேல தூக்கிருக்கேன். ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. போன வாரம் வரல எப்ப ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஜம்பிங் ஃப்ளைட். ஜம்ப் பண்ணுங்க. ஜம்ப். ஓகே? அப்படியே வெளிய வாங்க. அப்படியே காலை உள்ளுக்கு வச்சு வெளிய வாங்க. அப்படியே கால் வெளிய ஆயிடுச்சு. கால் வெளிய வைங்க. முட்டி உள்ள கொண்டு வாங்க. வெளிய வாங்க. அப்படியே. No, கை தூக்காதீங்க. You must put your weight on your hand. Is your weight on your hand? Yes, வெளிய வாங்க. கால் தூக்குங்க. Lift up. You have to lift up your body. வெளிய வாங்க. Yes. Correct. Come on. Three, buddy. வெளிய வாங்க. கை தூக்காதீங்க. Okay, good. Tamil. Hey. ஏன் முட்டி வருது? முட்டி வந்தா கீழ விழுந்துருவீங்க. கால் feet. Look up. Okay. Jumping, you can be jumping with actually. வெளிய வாங்க. தூக்குங்க. பாடி தூக்குங்க. Yes, very good. Auntie. Yes, very good. போன வாரம் வரல தானே? வந்துச்சா? வெளிய வாங்க. பாஸ் பண்ணி வெளிய வாங்க. பாஸ் போடுங்க. வெளிய வாங்க. Okay, online செய்ங்க எல்லாம். ஷமிலா செய்ங்க. Your car is outside. Okay. Keep lower. Yes. Right. Slowly. Okay, now good. Vasuki செய்ங்க. வெளிய வாங்க. Very good, dear. Very good. Last week you cannot come out, right? This week, very good. Reshma செய்ங்க. Palms fully down. Yes. Amen. Better. Good. Yes, going. Yes, very good. Yes. Try not to lift up. Jaya செய்ங்க. வெளிய வா. கை திருப்பி செய்ங்க. Why are you lifting your hand up? Okay. Don't lift up. போங்க. Okay, போங்க. Yes. Hey, cheating. போங்க. தூக்குங்க. பாடி தூக்குங்க. தூக்குங்க. Okay. ஆண்டி செய்ங்க. ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க ஆண்டி. எல்லாம் செஞ்சிட்டீங்களா? இன்னொரு ஆள் இருக்கா? ஓகே, போங்க ஆண்டி. ஹிப் கீழே இறக்கி. Cameraman, it's okay. Who is Oppo? Who is this? Who is Oppo? Oppo motor. Yaar in Oppo. Yaar is already I will remove. Because I don't know who. You never on your camera also. Yaar Oppo. No one, shall I remove? Who's that? Because if I remove, you cannot join in back. All right, practice this. Okay, today we will jump out. Okay. Right. Okay. Then jump out. So jumping பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணனும்? Jumping பண்ணுங்க. Jumping பண்ணி தண்டாசலம் வந்துட்டோம். இப்போ jump out. Cross leg. Go back. கால் வந்து straight எடுத்துக்கோ. Okay, அங்க கொண்டு போறோம். This is what you have to do. இதான் first step. First step இது. திரும்பி. Okay. Your first step will be, okay, last week you already, jumped in Dandasana. This is jumping Dandasana. Kaal is straight down, cross leg out, kaal is straight. Now you will cross leg, lift your body, bring your leg towards your hand. Okay. This is first step. Okay. She already can enter, so she is just going to jump straight. Okay, again body lift panni chadurunga. Okay, this is what you gonna do. And easy, around 30 hours take on avada. Okay, ye kalli la rest ni kiri thoda or 30 hours tak chalinge. First what you will do, you will cross leg in your neck here. Okay, this, then you come down, go straight. One count. Then cross leg, you kick here. Second. Then you come down. Okay, so you will do 30. Cross leg, come. Go lift like that. You will cross leg panni varumbodhe lift panni vechirukku. You will engage your core. Yes, you will pull in your stomach. That's how you engage your core. 30 counts you will do. Come on your own count. Don't cheat. I will know, right? Okay, come, everyone. So you will lift your body up using the strength of your hand. Okay? ஏன்னா அந்த ஹிப்பை லிஃப்ட் பண்றதுக்கு தான் நமக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டம், எஸ்பெஷலி ஃபீமேல். 30 counts. கத்துங்க. Lift body. Lift your hip. 30 counts, lift your hip and come down. You will swing your body. Like how to swing. Mat ரொம்ப ரஃப்பா இருந்துச்சுன்னா மேட் வெளிய வந்துருங்க. Roll your mat. Do without the mat. Especially heavy. See what you do. இப்படி திரும்பி செஞ்சு என்ன பண்ணுவா? வேற ரோல். இப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க. இந்த இதுதான் ஸ்ட்ரென்த். அப்ப இந்த கையில வலி வந்துரும். வரவே இல்லை. See your hand. Raise your hand. 30 counts inga. Then lift your knee. Don't need to slide. Lift your hip. 30 counts. Lift up, come down. Lift up, come down. Lift 30. Try. Breathe in. Inhale up and then exhale down. Okay. Cross leg. Inhale. Then you bring your leg outside. Okay. Then you will jump up. Jump up. Okay. Okay. Inhale. Now what you are doing is, you throw one back. Inhale. Lift up, exhale it out. Then okay, exhale. Inhale, exhale. That's what you're doing. I want you to lift up your hip the highest you can. ஏன்னா உங்களோட கையா தான் இருக்கு. உங்க கால் கூடுற அளவுக்கு நீங்க லிஃப்ட் பண்ணா போதும். உங்க கால் கூடலன்னா கூற வைங்க. ஓகே ஜனகா வெரி குட். தட்ஸ் ஹவ் யூ டு இட். ஆண்டி செய்யுங்க. ஆண்டி அண்ணா உள்ளுக்கு வரணும். சாமி செய்து பாருங்க. இந்த மாதிரி கால் வந்து இங்க வரணும். மாசுகி வெரி குட். பாடி நீங்க கால் வந்து கை உள்ள கொஞ்சம் மட்டும் கொண்டு வந்துக்கோங்க ஆண்டி. சரிங்க. ஆனா ஹிப்ப முன்னுக்கு தள்ளுறீங்க. ஹிப்ப தள்ளக்கூடாது. என்னாச்சு? Are you both related? No. Look alike. என்னாச்சு? கிரிப் வலிக்குதா? அப்படின்னா சரியா வைக்கலன்னு அர்த்தம். ஆனா இது நார்மல். இங்க வலிக்கிறது இது நார்மல், இங்க வலிக்கிறது இது நார்மல். இங்க ஏன்னா உங்க பாடி வெயிட் ஜிம்ல போய் வெயிட் இருக்க வேண்டாம். உங்க பாடி வெயிட் சொல்லுங்க. டூ ஜெயா ஜெயா அப்படியே சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். ஃபுல் லிஃப்ட். எஸ் பாடி ஹிப்ப தூக்குங்க. நீங்க ஹிப்ப தூக்குறது தான் கத்துக்க போறீங்க. இன்னும் 30 வரல. சாமி முடியல. Yes. See, but your knee opening. When you open your knee like this, let's say you're pulling, right? You're opening, you can't go out of the knee. So it has to be closer to your chest. Must pull like that, so that you will spring out like that. Like that. So the knee will go in between your hands. Finish a mat எடுத்துட்டீங்க. உங்க மேட் ரொம்ப ரஃபா இருக்கு. தூக்குங்க பாடிய. புல் பம்ப் புல்ல புல்லிடம். இமேஜ் ரிவ்யூ மேல போன வாரத்துல செஞ்சு கொடுத்தோம்னா போன வாரம் நீங்க கொஞ்சம் இது வரைக்கும் செஞ்சது. முடிச்சா கஸ்தூரி முடிச்சா நர்சரி முடிச்சா அலை எத்தனாவது உமா ரெடி 20 தினிஷா 20 கேரளா அங்க இருக்கீங்க ஆண்டி இங்க ராதா ஆண்டி எவ்வளவு சொல்லிட்டீங்க இப்ப பெட்டர் see now better good வாசுகி how many ready 20 okay எல்லாம் 20 on the level 20 plus then how many ready தெரியல சரி கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க ஒரு வாட்டி ஹிப் தூக்கும்போது 1 ரெண்டாவது வாட்டி ஹிப் தூக்கும்போது 2 எதுக்குன்னா ரன் பண்ணல இப்போ என்ன நீங்க த்ரோ அவுட் புரியல பாடியை த்ரோ அவுட் யாரெல்லாம் இன்னைக்கு பிரியாணி சாப்பிட்டா பிரியாணி எது சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா யாரும் கேளுங்க ஆனா நீங்க சொன்னா வீட் லைஃப்னு சொன்ன படம் அதான் சாப்பிட்டீங்களா finish it 30 okay rest take one minute drink water rest because now you're going to throw out okay good yeah 1 minute okay okay so she already. Give me. Okay. She can come up already. Lifting up, drop. Okay. Okay. Lift up, pull. Okay. Up. Okay. Right. Okay. Come. She can already throw out. So what you want to do? Cross it. What you will do? You will try to push this leg, but keep the hands strong. So you want to hold particular. Body lift particular, belly particular. So you hold that. From there, you will bring your leg. Third movement. Slight movement can. Why I don't want you to move the hand is because when you move the hand, the strength will go off. After that, you feel the weight. Okay, let's see. Do our movement. Body forward. Funny. Yeah, go ahead. After go. Okay, you just walk. Because I want you to breathe the strength first. Okay? Because huh? What is it? Yeah, once you that. Okay, go. Okay. Do slowly, yeah. What I say, right? Go. Okay. All of that. Okay? This is one. Then you come back inside. 2. Then you come back inside. 3. Okay? 10. 30 counts. Saying it. I told you this month is building yourself. Okay? Janaka, are you okay? Not okay. Okay. First day, kai valikida. Alla pidikra paduvanga. Try to do. Then try. Just try. Try to lift up. Your man. No. Then try. You're pushing your body like that behind. Oh. Ouch. Okay. கையை எடுத்தீங்கன்னா அப்புறம் தமிழ் போய் தான் உங்களுக்கு அடிபடும். கைதான் உங்களுக்கு சொன்னேன், கைதான் உங்க ஸ்ட்ரென்த். ஜெயா come on do it. ஆண்டி ரேப் பண்ணுங்க ஆண்டி. ராதா ஆண்டி. வெயிட் டென்ஷன் அதான் நீ மாதிரி அப்போ டேக் பண்ணுங்க. What are you doing? மொழி இருக்கீங்க அவ சதுரங்க சதுரங்க சொல்லி கொடுக்கல. சதுரங்க சொல்லி கொடுக்கும் போதுதான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். 1 by 1 jumping, jumpa, and then சதுரங்க. இந்த கிளாஸ் ஜம்ப் ஆட முடிய கூட இல்லை. But why you are like that? But correct. Correct, huh? Betul kan? எல்லாம் செய்யுங்க. Setting வந்துட்டீங்களா தமிழா Reshma okay correct yeah go yes correct very good come down come go down thinking okay go down thinking push up அது அப்புறம் downward இப்போ jumping pull leg in என்ன அது இன்னும் ஃபுல்லா ஆகல இப்பதான் ஒண்ணு சொல்லிருக்கேன் பார்த்தா ஃபுல்லா அதனாலதான் I ask you to practice and I'm teaching part by part. If I give one shot, you get overwhelmed. Then you run away from the class. Correct or not? This itself, they were running already. Auntie நிறைய very positive. Careful, if you take this, it's past it, almost not there. Always remind me of the child. Well done. Okay, வெளிய வாங்க can lift your hip up. Lift your hip. Yes. Okay, throw yourself out. Yes, very good. You have to do without that, you do without that. Janaka, don't worry, you will do it one day. முட்டி வைக்காதீங்க முட்டியை பின்ன கீழே போட முடியல நீ அப்பலாம் okay careful okay jump up yeah very good very nice அடுத்தவர் ஒரு ஆளை பார்க்கல அடுத்தவர் ஒரு ஆளா தான் பார்ப்பேன் Can right? But instructor. Okay, listen, yeah, very good. Do again. That is anything, la? That is செய்யணும். எத்தனை 15 ஆச்சு வந்தீங்களா? கூட வரல. At least 15. Do at least 15. Bye bye. Oh. Okay, yes. Finish very good. Mission also very good. Very good. அது சதுரங்க போடும். Very good. Tamil okay, Krishna okay, Tinisha okay. Correct. Dachini okay. Kasturi okay. Good one. Una okay. Jaya saying Vasugi okay. Shamila saying Sakran. Try பண்ணுங்க. Yes, Vasugi go out. Can do it slowly. Do not over push when you have mental. Okay? Other than that, you can jump on it. Chalo. Alta perke try பண்ணு. வெளியே வா. முதல்ல செய். Okay? தூக்கு ஓட தூக்கு. இப்படில. பாரு. தூக்கு. பின்னாடி தூக்கு. ஓடு. Jump. Yes. அங்கேயே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிருந்தேன்னா இன்னும் கூட எனர்ஜி போவாங்க. Because you are holding it, right? Just throw. 15 ready now. Not yet. Then go, Krishna, go, yes. Lift your body, very good. Jump up. Yes, very good. Yes, Tamal, very good. Anna, காலு Okay, very good, very good. இதுதான் உங்க homework. இந்த வாரம். போன வாரோட homework செய்யலனா போன வாரோட homework சேர்த்து செய்யணும் நீங்க. Okay? If you haven't do the last week's one, then you have to do both together now. யார் வரல last week? ஏன் வரல கிளாஸ்க்கு? என்ன பண்ணீங்க? பாச்சேன். ஜம்ப் பண்ணி வெளிய வெளிய. பிளாங்க் போவாத. பிளாங்க் போனனா இன்னும் எனர்ஜி போகும். ஏன்னா நீ மேல விட்டு திருப்பி கீழ வரும். Okay? So those who have not done, those who are just started, do slow. It's okay. I will not see it now, but you try. Okay? But for the very good. You're progressing very well. Okay? Keep it up. Okay? Hurry. Lift. You can do it. All right? Are we good? Drink some water. Relax yourself. செஞ்சீங்களா? ஒண்ணுல செஞ்சீங்க. ஒரு ஆள் மட்டும் செய்யல. பரவாயில்ல. Drink some water. Relax yourself. கையெல்லாம் வலிக்கும். எப்போதும் கால் சொத்தம் கை தான் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சு போவீங்க. இன்னைக்கு கை சொத்தம். ஓகே? தாடி வெட்டும் போது கை ஓகே? சமைக்கும் போது நாளைக்கு கை ஏன் வலிக்குது? ஓ எஸ், I did work out yesterday. And you remember. Okay? But if you do it every day, of course, you will not feel that pain. First few weeks, if you're just starting something, then of course 1 or 2 weeks you will have the pain. But after that, you will be okay. Correct or not, Vani? Do you still feel the pain, no, right? But sometimes, certain asanas. Joanne, what happened? Loda. Loda nights. Use the full strength of the palm. Don't only use the wrist. Okay? When you are doing strength practice, don't only use your wrist, but use the other part of your hands also, especially your fingers. That's why we press like this, so that the pressure. So if you do this, if you cup like that, the guy can live over. This can live over. Okay. Vandirchi. Okay, but you have to throw. You're sliding, right? You have to throw. I'll see this next week with another set. Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you all again on Saturday morning. Okay. If you can join, you can join. I'll see you all on Saturday morning. Till then, take care. Stay safe, happy, and stay blessed. Happy week. Happy weekdays. See you. Bye. Good night. Rest well. Slow mo item. Jaya, practice பண்ணுங்க.